Abby. How you doing, baby girl? Abby is now almost 13 months, not quite. Abby. Abby. Hi. Hi, little one. Do you want to play? Do you want to play with some blocks? Those are your new sunglasses? Yeah, for being a good girl at the dental checkup. Yeah. Abby, going for all the electronics. Hi.